For this storm, I found the old GoPro first and put it out back. And these are 3 segments with the GoPro 12 sitting on Newsom's grill. They're slowed down times 0.25. The GoPro 12 is set on widescreen as opposed to the 13, which is on linear. You can see more of the lightning bolt. And here I am moving it around, trying to get a better angle, and it caught a lightning bolt. Here's another segment that I slowed down times 0.125 so I could capture these lightning bolt video frames. And I went along and I went along and I went along for 38 minutes looking for lightning bolts before the sound of thunder. I find it a task wading through all those video frames to capture the ones with lighting. So I seek until right before the volume spikes from thunder. Now that doesn't always tell me whether I'm going to get bolts or just light. Here's a good example. This lightning bolt was less than 2 miles away at 7 seconds. In Movie Maker, I can see the sound spikes caused by thunder. Here's one that lit up the front yard times 0.125, a little over a mile away. And as the original video goes on, the lightning bolts become less and less evident, even though the skies still light up. I like this wide angle for capturing lightning bolts. And here are the last 20 minutes of my recording, speeded up times 64, as day breaks in my neighborhood without electricity. There you go. And these are the captured video frames from the GoPro 12 Black in sequence as I captured them this afternoon from 5:20 to about 5:28. Since both GoPros capture 29 frames per second, one can understand why I slow it down times 0.125. The very first video frame that I captured of a lightning bolt was in 2008, St. George Island, on the Cut. My favorite lightning bolt was one Grant captured with his camera. Here's that 2008 shot from St. George Island. And here's one from 2009 looking straight out our front. 2023 straight out our front. And 2024 straight out our front.